Hello, good morning. So I will show you how to use the electric foot pedal of my sewing machine, Activa 130 BERNINA. This is the foot pedal. So it's like this one, you can wind the cable here like that to make it safe. Plug in here. It's like this is my foot, right? When you press like that, you're gonna run, right? If you're gonna stop like that, press like that, so it's gonna run and stop like that. When you pick up the thread from the bobbin, so you just only press this one. No, just only one, right? Just only like that. Yeah, so it's already come out, right? Like that with your foot. Okay, so well, I gonna show you here. Put your foot like properly. If you need to start the sewing machine, so just push like that. So it's slowly. If you want make it slowly, so just only press a little, right? But if you want to make it faster, just fully push, right? And then when you stop, it's like when you're sewing a zipper like that. You see, it's very slow, like, yeah. When you press a little, like slide, so that's one make it slowly. But when you push hard forward all the way down, yeah, it's faster. And then when you stop it, you just slowly, faster, stop, faster. So, okay guys, that's it. Hopefully you enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.